Hello students, welcome to my channel. I hope all of you are okay. Today we are going to learn here the use of am, is and are. So let's learn how to use am, is and are correctly. Am, is and are the helping verbs. We use them with different subjects. Let us learn how. We use am only with I. For example, I am a student, I am happy. Here, am is used with I. We use is with he, she or it or against one thing or person. Here some examples are given. He is my father. It is a cat. She is dancing. Here look, is used with he, it and she. We use are with you, we, they or when we mean many things and people. Here some examples are given. Just look. You are kind. We are playing. They are friends. Here are is used with you, are is used in second case with we, and in third case are is used with they. Students, let us remember it again. Here, when subject is I, the verb will be am. For example, I am a boy. So you must remember that. When subject is he, she or it, the verb will be is. Please remember it. For example, he is my friend, she is my sister, and it is a dog. When subject is you, we, and they, we use the verb are. For example, we are happy, you are my best friend, they are walking together. So this is how am, is and are used against different subjects. For example, against I, he, she or it, you, we and they. Students, I hope you have enjoyed this video. In case you find this video useful, please like it, share it and also subscribe my channel. Thank you everybody.